Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn about Jacob's ladder and how to build one. For those who don't know what a Jacob ladder is, it's nothing but an high voltage arch that rises upwards from an V-shaped electrodes. Jacob ladder is named after a Bible character who had a dream of a ladder which extends up to heaven and angels descending from it. If you touch this ladder, I am pretty sure you will also see a ladder extending up to heavens. So, I wouldn't recommend trying this experiment because many have died replicating this experiment. If you are doing this, then have an experienced professional with you. High voltage converts oxygen to ozone, which is a poisonous gas. So, do this experiment in ventilated area. Well, for beginners, electrical discharge is also called as corona discharge. So, use a mask for it too. I still can't understand why they call COVID-19 a corona. High voltage arcs also generate UV radiation, so use protective gears like polarized glass and gloves, etc. Now let me tell you how you can build a Jacob's ladder. This is a transformer that I took from a stabilizer. This is a full bridge rectifier. It converts AC to DC. This transformer converts 220 volt to 12 volt AC. This is the driver circuit for flyback transformer. It takes input from the rectified out voltage from the transformer. And this circuit supplies the input for the flyback transformer. This is the circuit for it. This is an flyback transformer that I salvaged from an old CRT TV. It outputs around 50 kV. These are the high voltage terminals. These are the V-shaped electrodes that I took for a Jacob's ladder. The high voltage terminals of the flyback transformer goes to each electrodes. Connect everything together and turn on the power supply. Now we can see beautiful arcs traveling upwards. In order to understand how Jacob ladder work, basically an air is a bad conductor of electricity, but ionized air is conductive. So, electrical arcs occur by ionizing the air. The ionized air becomes hot due to electrical conduction. Then the ionized hot air rises upwards, which in turn carries the electric arc with it. That's how Jacob's ladder work. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you guys in next video.